What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, you know Thelma, Louise, Laverne, and old Shirley, y'all. Yeah, they got to get out of here, fam. Oh, yeah, they're about to get evicted, y'all. So stand by, family. I'll show you where I'm sending them. So, family, I bring you the Tractor Supply Co. Producers Pride Sentinel Chicken Coop, y'all. Oh, yeah. You know, this is a 6 chicken capacity chicken coop. Family rates 4.5 stars out of 5 on TSC's website. Has some pretty good reviews, y'all. Family, you know some notable features include the powder coated all steel frame. You know, this was a major selling point for me. Oh, yeah. Has the reinforced thick wood panels, as you see here. It also has the predator resistant locks, y'all. Oh, yeah. Those predator resistant latches. Family has a sliding door for the chicken coop entrance. Also has a solid wood ramp, y'all. You know, family, this coop is pretty easy to clean. It has a very easy to clean tray. Also has access doors on both sides of the coop, y'all. Check it out. As you can see, it has a roosting bar. It has 3 nesting boxes, y'all. As you can see back there. You know, family, this coop was pretty easy to put together. Most of the holes are pre-drilled. You know, and all of the hardware, all of the screws, all of the bolts, nuts, and the tools you need are supplied, y'all. Family, you know this coop is rated for 6 chickens. Yeah, it has a 6 chicken capacity, as I stated before. Um, and the run area is about 76 inches long and about 36 inches wide, y'all. Oh yeah. So, family, that's the Tractor Supply Co. Producers Pride Sentinel Chicken Coop. Yeah, fam. I think it makes a pretty solid choice. Yeah. So, y'all, you know some of the modifications that I did to this coop. I actually water sealed all of the wood panels. I sealed all the bolts, and also placed the coop on some pressure treated 2x6 wood, y'all, as you see here. And I bolted the coop down with some decking screws. Yeah. Family, I also added wire to the bottom of the coop and the bottom of the run as well, for those digging predators. Yeah, so that's the Producer's Pride Sentinel Chicken Coop. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me, y'all. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.